Huntington's disease, Todd here. Hey, I got some great news today over at Cure HD. We won't be silent. Lauren Naomi put up a post there, and you have to go read it. I'm going to do my best to encapsulate it with this video, but it's a little bit complicated for my pea brain, but I'm going to do the best that I can. So the FDA, I told you about them wanting to, have further development meetings with the Huntington's community. Well, come to find out that they have a designation at FDA called RMAT, which is regenerative medicine advanced treatment. That's a designation they only offer to certain drugs and certain times, certain things. They've already offered that to a drug that's in the works for Huntington's. So that means over the last 2 years, studies have been being done, and this AMT 130, I had to look away to remember the name of it, AMT 130 actually already has the ability to silence the HTT protein. The HTT is the expansion that causes Huntington's disease. They actually have the ability to stop it in its tracks. It's not totally there yet, but this puts the drug probably 4 or 6 years ahead of a schedule that any other drug would get. So I went online today and I did a little bit of research about what exactly the RMAT designation means with the FDA. And currently there are only 92 approved applications for this type of designation. This puts Huntington's disease in a whole new light. This puts Huntington's disease on the front burner, if you will. So with this designation now, and I told you about the FDA's meeting with HDSA and the Huntington community in November, it's going to give us the opportunity to put that drug into effect right away. This is exciting news, and it's probably more complicated than more complicated than I'm making it. But on the same token, I'm telling you what, the AMT 130 is already done. It's already being worked on. It's already been used for the last few years. People are already having results. They've already had their approvals for the efficacy, if you will. So I tell you what, I don't see any bad news in this at all. And the fact that Huntington's disease is one of only 92 approved for this type of treatment is pretty incredible. What else did I say? Advanced therapy. Yep, it's a 2-year study. Already done it. Already advanced. So it's good news. I'm probably not doing it justice, but I wanted to really get it out there so you would know that there could already be a cure in the making for Huntington's disease. And Unicure is a company that's working on this, and they are already got their application approved. Also, if you wanted the link for the Facebook group that I told you about, Cure HD, We Won't Be Silent, that is on my homepage for Huntington's disease, Todd. And as I've said in the past, I really would like for you to subscribe and get notifications, because with the efforts that we are seeing right now, I don't believe it's going to be long that we're going to be able to say, hey, we're taking this drug, it's doing wonderful things, and people are having some good results. Now, at the end of the day, it doesn't keep the disease from going down the line, but it has been found to halt it in the people that take it. So AMT 130, Unicure is the company, and on top of that, it's got the FDA approval for the RMAT, RMAT, so regenerative medicine advanced treatment. I'm telling you, I can't wait to hear more and report more about this. So go to Huntington's Disease Todd, like the page, subscribe, and also get notifications. I'd love for you to be a part of this family so that we can share this kind of stuff. And remember, on my homepage, there's a link to go to Cure HD, We Won't Be Silent. All right? That's the news of the day, and have a great night.